In this video, let's talk about the way that you fix the PayPal transaction declined. For whatever reason, if your transaction on PayPal is currently getting declined, the first thing that you'll need to ensure is that your account is limited or not. If your account has been limited, you should be able to see this notification on the home page. You can quickly resolve it by uploading your identity document or sometimes even maybe your address proof. This may take 48 to 72 hours depending upon the situation, and your issue should be resolved. Also, try to verify that your linked cards or your linked bank account is verified. Lastly, make sure that the email address that you're currently using is also verified so that PayPal can trust the email address that is currently being used. After doing all of these steps, if the issue still persists, then what you can do is try to remove a payment detail and try to re-add it back in. By doing these simple steps, you should be able to fix the PayPal transaction decline issue. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.